Hello Internet, welcome back to placement videos. The next one is deletion of an element. So now we'll be discussing the deletion. So think about this, how to delete an element. You can pause the video and then if you can figure out, it's good. If not, then play the video and see the tutorial. So I expect you got the logic of how to delete an element from an array. If not, then watch this part of this tutorial video. I hope you will get the logic and the code as well. So let's see the problem and also the solution. So let's say you are given an array and you have to delete the element 4. The simple approach is first linear search the element or the index and then simply replace the element of that particular index by that next index. That means nothing but arr I will be equal to arr I plus 1. So this is nothing but I'm writing over here. Let's say now arr 4, that means 0 1 2 3 4. Fine, let's say I'm substituting as 5 for confusion. So arr 4, that means of 5, then simply I'll be doing is arr 4 will be equal to nothing but arr 5. This is nothing but 6. That means I have substituted or replaced this value. So if I have replaced this value over here, then what I need to do, I also need to replace the 6 with the 7 and also reduce the size of that particular array. I hope you got this. So the final output will be 1 2 8 9 6 and 7. So the size is reduced. So I hope you got the logic. Let's codify it. So I'll take a non-return type function. That means it will delete the element and won't return anything. Fine. Sorry, my bad. So the parameters are array and a particular key I'll be passing so that it can delete that particular element. Let's put the curly braces, then take an variable, or I will be targeting the index of that particular element need to be deleted. Fine, then start a loop over here for I equal to 0, then up to size. No need to go to the size, just we can simply do this. How many elements? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let's say I'm initializing this as 7. Fine, plus plus I. Then if, what was the linear search algorithm? That means if found the key, it will break. Fine, here I'm not assigning any values because I itself is self-incrementing in this loop. Then if I is less than size, that means if I is not less than size, or let's say if it is greater than size, there is no point of calculating this. That means we have crossed the array boundary or array limit that's beyond of our scope here. That means we can't found out the element and there is no point of deleting that element, or we can't delete. Also you can just simply put like error message over here. If it's not, the element is not found, I'll simply just do the code. So now for int j equal to starting from I up to j less than size plus plus j, then what I need to do is error j equal to error j plus 1. Fine. I hope it works. So let's call the function tell lm error, and let's say I want to delete the 5. I hope it works. Then let's simply print the array. So up to size, then cout error I and this. So will it work or not? You have to say now before running it. So can you see the mistake, or if there is any mistake, you just pause the video and think about it, what I have done wrong over here. If nothing is wrong, then will it work or not, you have to figure out before running the code. I hope you got this, so you can pause the video and think about it. Fine. So I hope you got the logic. Now I will be saying what I have done wrong. So in our case, what I have done is I have reduced the size, but you can see that the size is not reduced over here. So I just have to simply put another thing, that is size equal to size minus 1. Fine. Okay, it won't work here because we just statically not worry about this. Let's say I'm taking an variable n and initialized it as size. So here n, and then n equal to n minus 1. Also remove this one. Fine. I hope this works. See, this works, but it's printing some garbage value. Why? You need to tell. Because I have traversed the array beyond our size, because now I have reduced the size of that element, so I just need to print the element until the size. So what I need to do is just simply reduce the size. Fine. So then it will print the correct. But if we just decrement the size over here, it won't be an efficient solution or a good solution, because I don't know how many elements or let's say there can be duplicate elements also, so it won't be a good practice. So I'll be printing the whole element over here. Fine. Then just simply change the variable name. Fine. See, this works. Let's say I want to delete another element. Let's say 1. See, it's pretty good. It's working. I expect you loved this tutorial and you got some basic idea. So go through this one, and bye bye till then. Bye bye.